Hello, how you doing? So today we've got some lovely chicken broccoli noodles, chow mein, but a little bit spicy. Absolutely delicious. Doesn't take long at all. Very easy. Super lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get moving. I've got one large chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and I've cubed that. Here I've got my noodles. My noodles here, there's 3 cups of them, by the way. They require me to soak them in warm water for a couple of minutes. Read the packet of your noodles because there are so many different types. Broccoli, cut. I've got about, again, maybe 3 cups there. I'm going heavy on broccoli with this one. 1 cup of onion, half a cup of soy sauce. My soy sauce is a light one. You could be using dark. Tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic there. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dried red chilies and 2 teaspoons of SZECHUAN black peppercorns. Let's get moving. So wok, large skillet, something, you know, that you can cook this in. I've got oil in there. I'm using corn oil. I've got 3 tablespoons there. You can use a different oil if you want. That's up to you. Get the heat on high. We're first going to drop in the SZECHUAN peppercorns. And if you don't have these peppercorns, just try some other black ones. Slightly different, but... And the chili. Let them do their thing in there just for a second. They'll infuse that. I'll give it a nice little flavour. Then we're going to go 1 cup onion. 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger chopped. And then that 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cubed. Stay on the high heat all the way. 4 minutes. I'll be back. Keep it moving. Beautiful. In goes the broccoli. Now I've made my broccoli quite chunky cut and I've left quite a lot of stem on. You can do it a bit smaller if you want. 2 minutes. We're nearly done, believe it or not. So just 2 minutes there. We're now going to take half a cup of soy. We're going to drop that in. Now you've noticed that I've not added any salt and pepper. I'm not adding pepper because we've got the peppercorns in there. That's fine for me. You could add some if you want. And I'm not adding salt because the soy sauce is extremely salty, and that's enough, I find. You can adjust that if you want. 3 minutes, keep it moving, high heat. So I'm a big fan of crunchy vegetables, so I like a nice crunch on my broccoli here. If you don't, cook away for a few more minutes. Okay, 3 cups of noodles. Like I say, my noodles required soaking in water. Some will need boiling. Some you can buy already, you know, soft and ready in vacuum packs. Just read the label. We're going to go now, tossing this around for about 3 more minutes. Stay on the high heat. And there you go, nice and easy, nice and spicy. If you want, you could get some sesame seeds on the top there to dress it, or some green or spring onions. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Be well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.